Welcome back to the channel, guys. Just got off work. I feel like I start every vlog like that just because I work so much now. Like every vlog is, hey, I just got off work type vlog. But as you guys know, well, actually you guys probably don't know. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I just got off work. I feel like I start every vlog off like that because I'm always just getting off work when I start these vlogs. But anyways, as you guys know, I just recently got a front bumper for the Z. I bought one off of a guy that was local. You can see it out there. But anyways, since my car is lowered and I'm running a little bit of, or I used to be running an aggressive tire up front, I don't have the splash guards up front, or I don't have a skid plate right now. My last skid plate actually got destroyed after I was doing some pulls without a front bumper, and it ripped the bolts out of the front radiator core support. So the bumper has no lower support right now. So if I did like any high speeds over like 60, 80 miles an hour, something like that, it would probably fold the bumper underneath itself and break it. This one is not polyurethane, so I'm pretty worried about it cracking or anything like that. So trying to be easy with it, stuff like that. But before I had the Z1 skid plate, which is the one that I just broke, it did great. I don't expect it to hold up doing 140 and it hitting the ground like it did. Even then, it honestly was like pretty decent shape. There was just some parts that were bent, bolt holes would never line up correctly again. Just wanted to get a new one. But I just ordered this one. I decided to go with a different one just to try it out, since I already had the Z1. So I went with the ZSpeed. I've heard good things about both of them, so I wanted to try them out and kind of do a comparison maybe. So yeah, we'll see how this one goes. Actually, just a couple days ago, I went ahead and ordered a new radiator cap for this car. It had been leaking coolant out of what seemed to be the radiator cap, so I was kind of just, I think the old radiator cap was just going bad, wasn't doing good. I think the spring just finally gave out, but and plus the radiator cap is a cheap place to start. But if you look right here, you can tell coolant has been coming out, like it's literally pressurizing through this, I'm assuming, because this is tight, there's no leak here. I've noticed like it's been dripping down this piece right here. It runs across my whole entire radiator and then drips down underneath. So I'm not too sure what is up with that old cap, but I got rid of, it used to be a Nismo cap here. I got rid of it and went and bought the OEM one from Nissan. So hopefully that gets rid of my coolant issue. But other than that, that's been the only thing, but it like started going all over the place. So this will be the first drive with that installed, so we'll see if it did hold up. But as you can see underneath here, there is no bottom support right now, so this bumper can just flex. It's not going to flex too much, but still concerning nonetheless. I'd rather not drive it as much as I can without getting some lower support on it. But yeah, I am loving how the Z is coming together. This is definitely the best my Z has ever looked, even with a mismatched front bumper, which actually doesn't look too bad in the light right here. But yeah, this is definitely the best this car has ever looked. Here, let's go ahead and start it. I haven't started this thing in probably 3 or 4 days, I don't think. Let's see. Also, I'm about to go on a road trip to Colorado, so that's why I'm kind of rushing to get this stuff put together. I plan on taking the Z. I'm gonna road trip it down there next week actually, so I have been trying to get the Z ready like 100%. I might daily drive it. Oh, you guys probably can't see me. I might daily drive it next week, even to work and stuff, just to make sure everything's running good on it, so I don't have any issues, any breakdowns while I'm on my way to Colorado. But yeah, that should be a fun trip. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog it or not. Do you guys think I should? I vlogged it before, but I didn't vlog anything I did while I was there. But I could try to vlog it this time. Let's see if this will even fit in the back. I might have to put it in the passenger seat. I don't see this fitting. I have a couple of cardboard boxes there already, but I'm probably gonna put this in the passenger seat. So I don't think this is legal. I don't know if you guys can see it right now, but this is the best I think I'm gonna go for now. I might be able to shove it in the back, but this is what I'm working with here. I don't think this is legal, but I mean, I can still see out that window. Really hope I don't get pulled over on the way. It's not too far. It's probably like 10 minutes, if that. But yeah, I really hope I don't get pulled over. That would suck. But somebody outside, oh shit, I dropped you guys. Somebody outside just said I have a nice car, and they're just standing outside, so I'm gonna rev it for them for a little bit. Or not for a little bit, but just a little bit. Broken neck. Straight broken neck. I don't know if you guys can see him, but that shit was funny. This car gets so many looks, it's not even funny. I seriously absolutely love this car. Like, now that I don't daily drive it every single day and I drive my truck, and I drive this car maybe once a week on the weekends and stuff, like, it just makes me appreciate this car so much more to drive it on weekends. Like, every time I get in it, I just am just so happy and just like feel like, I don't even know, like the car's only worth like $7 grand at this point, maybe. That I'm shooting kind of high there, honestly. But like, I don't think $7 grand spent in any other way could make me as happy as this car does, honestly. Like, I just love this car so much. I kind of forgot to mention that we're going to my homie's house to install this, so I just got here. Made it safe, no cop issues. He has a dope little garage that he's got, and he's got good tools. Plus, he's very meticulous about stuff, and he likes to do it correctly, so I like having him help me install stuff. He doesn't ghetto rig everything. But yeah. I haven't done a new video on his car yet. I featured it on the channel a couple times. We've done a couple races and stuff, but he actually just got new wheels. These are his wheels that he just got. With the spike plug. This car's sitting pretty good. He needs to lower it. I think he has plans to bag it here soon. I think he's gonna go to Dallas to get it bagged, and then this car will be set off for sure. It's monster trucking right now, but it'll be looking good. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, those side markers make a big difference.
A huge difference. Huh?
Like when they're not lit, I don't really notice them that much, but like when they're lit, they're totally different than the last ones.
I like when they're lit, they're pretty sick.
Yeah, they're so much better.
Also hyped because I was driving downtown at night and I could see him and I was like, oh, it looks so good.
Go ahead and move the Z in the garage. I need to give this thing a proper wash. Like, since I got it back up and like going, I have not washed it. Like, it's still all filthy from work and shit. Oh. Gonna do an unboxing of this. I did the same thing with the Z1 skid plate that I had the first time. They were both aluminum skid plates, so they should be pretty similar. Just to note, the price on this one is actually a little bit cheaper than the Z1. I think this one was $179, the Z1 was $230 something. So this one's a little bit cheaper, but we'll see the quality. So I can get it out here one-handed. There we go. Oh dang, this one has like film on it. Like what the fuck? I've never seen the film on it before. That's pretty sick though. Has ZSpeed engraved in it. I can't remember if Z1 had anything like that. This looks nice though. This looks like about the same quality, if not a little better, honestly. Like, and you can get this at Z1 Motorsports, so I mean they still support it, but it does look nice. There's also an option to get this whole thing black as well. It's a little bit smaller than the Z1. The Z1 skid plate goes out a little further that way and comes back over here. I wish I had them both to do side by side, but maybe I can pull a little clip from that video and show you guys. All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be installing this Z1 aluminum undershroud, I believe is what they actually call it, just into aluminum skid plate. Got the service panel on it. But they both have this little service panel. The one on the Z1 is a lot bigger. This whole piece right here will drop down. This one just has like a little panel. So I guess the Z1's a little bit better because this panel, it looks kind of hard to get your hand in there. Might like hurt to hit your hand on that too, but looks like good quality though. Looks pretty good. Alright, we're actually gonna run to the store real quick because if you look at in here, I don't know if you can really tell, but this skid plate doesn't go all the way underneath the lip that the bumper has. So we gotta get something to, like little tabs to kind of bring it all the way to the bumper so that we can get it underneath. Sorry, I kind of forgot to update you guys. We went to Ace Hardware. We got some. We got an angle iron, and then some of this. Our plan is to kind of put this inside the bumper, sort of like this, and then use those and kind of connect it. So this will be a support inside the bumper, and then use these and you make tabs for each one and connect it to this to make it a little bit stronger, make everything just hold up a little bit better. So I currently just marked out some holes. I'm about to drill holes through this so that we can at least get that onto the, or see where we need to mount it into there, and then we can create tabs. We'll cut this and create tabs, drill holes, and tab it all together. So that's what we're working on right now. It's been a minute since I updated. We didn't have the correct hardware to mount this whole skid plate like correctly right now. So for right now, I kind of just zip tied every single spot on. Like there's like, I probably used a good 10, 12 zip ties on this thing right now. But it's definitely solid. Like I can push on it here. It's not going anywhere. It's not moving. I got him looking at Z's over there. But this bumper is not gonna go anywhere for right now. Once I get the correct mounting hardware, which I'll probably go get tomorrow, or maybe just wait till the weekend. But I'll go ahead and mount all these, or at least most of them, correctly. I might leave a couple zip ties just to keep it easy. But yeah, skid plate is on. Bumper should be secure. I don't think I'll test it tonight, but maybe I'll go do like 80 or something, see if it'll stay on. I'm pretty positive it's good though.
No, don't test it, bitch.
But I mean, I'm gonna be taking this shit to Colorado for a 13-hour drive, so it's gotta be solid. Ooh, it's warped. I pulled too much up on the bumper. It's warping. Nah. So the car's too loud to start when there's a kid sleeping. So he just pushed. You can't even see it. It's behind the dumpster way over there. We had to push the car all the way over there just so we could start it over there.
I made up for it.
He pushed it. We're doing like 5 miles an hour. Not even kidding. He pushed that all the way down there just so we can get it started. Well, hell yeah. Well, I appreciate it, Don. Thanks for all the help. Don't die.
You're welcome. I'm finna go to sleep.
Same. I gotta go to work. I gotta go to work. I haven't even been like home yet, really. Like I literally just got home, grabbed the skid plate, grabbed my camera, and came over here. So, like literally, like we pushed it so far, all the way the fuck out here, just so we can annoy the neighbors and not wake up his daughter. Even though this is probably still gonna wake up his daughter. But let's see here. By the way, I didn't show this on camera, but I think it is still leaking coolant actually. Like, I'm fucking pissed. Like, I don't know where it's leaking coolant from, because it's definitely up top. Like, you probably can't even see me right now. It's definitely up top because I can look at it drip down. Like, I know it's starting from the top and going down, but I just need to figure out exactly where it's coming from. But I guess I'll just have to wait for this weekend. Not this weekend, but next weekend I am going to Colorado, so I need to have this shit fixed like within a week. I really want to take this car. I could take my truck, but I really want to take the car. So, but I don't really want to take it unless it's 100%. So the coolant is the only issue that I'm having right now. The front bumper was another issue, but front bumper is going to be solid. It's already solid as hell with just zip ties. So I know when I get the actual hardware, when I go buy the hardware tomorrow, it's going to be solid. So definitely good there. Just need to get that coolant fixed. But other than that, the Z is pretty much back up. Little things that I would like to get fixed are like the front bumper paint does not match correctly, because this bumper was off of a Nismo. It was an aftermarket for a Nismo. For some reason they got rid of the V3 and decided this bumper looked better on the Nismo. But so they had it paint, or the red on Nismos is different than the red on regular Z's, so his color does not match mine. But honestly, it's really not that bad. Like, it's pretty damn close. It's actually kind of ironic and kind of funny, but this red is actually better than the red that I had somebody actually try to color match to mine. Like, that's how bad these painters are around here, that I've found anyways. So yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this light off before I get pulled over for having a light on while driving. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just hit 400 subs, which I am definitely fucking hype about. Like, been doing this thing for almost 3 years now. So to finally hit 400, it's been good. Honestly, 300 to 400 did not take that long, so definitely pretty happy about that. But I can't wait to keep growing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Sides on me. Mustang's trying to race me, but I'm trying to get it on camera, so I kind of can't from this angle. Let's see if you guys can see him from right here. Take off with me. Wonder if he saw a cop or something.